Brian DeMoe with DayTradingFutures.net doing a video on the Australian dollar futures. This is a technical analysis and also an overview of the fundamentals, things in the news that are being to be released this week that'll help us at least help with the volume of the instrument. So this is a live 1 hour chart that you're looking at of the Australian dollar futures. And I will go through the different price levels and relate those to the Forex as well. So we have this downward channel that we were following, and we broke that on Sunday. And I'm sorry, that actually was broken on Friday. But we had a rally which held this support line here, this ascending trend line. And we did come back up here to this level of resistance. On the futures is 87.89. On the Forex, that is 88.20. Then, so I had a long position, a short-term long position here. A couple of my comrades also took this, and we did reach our target price. Mine was set to right at 87.87. And that did hit on the futures. So now, what we could be seeing is a consolidation zone. This sideways channel that we're seeing here, that I've drawn out with this line of resistance and this line of support, could hold true. We could bounce back down to either this 87.44 level, or on the Forex, that is 87.74. Or we could continue past and hit this new line of support, which is unconfirmed, roughly around 87.29, or on the Forex, that is 87.62. But this area, I'm not in a short trade. I kind of want to see if this is going to continue this consolidation zone. So, what we could see is a continuation down, hitting this line, and then a bounce to the upside, and we could see this, or it actually could drop down to what could be another area of support, which is about here, with a continuation back up. So if it looks like we're going to have a consolidation, this would be a great swing opportunity to ride a short-term long and then a short-term short. With the first target being this line of support at 87.44, or possibly a line of support somewhere around here at 87.27. So I'm keeping an eye on the instrument right now. Again, this is a no trade zone for me. I want to see what happens. In the news, fundamentally, we have the Australian currencies cable is having some cables released on Tuesday, January 21st, starting with a medium impacting event at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time with the Westpac Consumer Confidence. Following that, an hour later at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, we have the Consumer Price Index, which is a super high impacting event, with expectations, hawkish expectations. The previous for that was at 2.2%. Forecast is 2.5. So if we get 2.5, which is the forecast, it's a neutral. It's not going to have much influence on the currency. If it's above expectations, you can expect a break, a possible break of this line of resistance at 87.89 on the futures, or 88.20 on the Forex charts. If it's below expectations, then we probably will see a break of the support line, and we'll start a new consolidation zone below this line of support and this line of possible support here. Then we have the RBA trimmed mean consumer price index, which is also at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Following Tuesday, we have some medium impacting news or a cable coming out from China, and that is the HSBC manufacturing PMI, and that will have an influence on the Australian currency. That is at 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, and then there's also the consumer inflation expectation, which is at 6 p.m. the same day, and that's the Australian consumer inflation expectation. So Wednesday there is some cables coming out as well that will help increase the volume and direction of the Australian currency. Thursday we have a lot of U.S. data coming out. Initial jobless claims, manufacturing PMI. We have the leading indicator, the existing home sales. So Thursday as well, we'll have some cables coming out related to the US dollar that will also increase volume and lead direction for the Australian currency. Friday, there's really nothing coming out that'll help with volume on that end. So again, we have Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday to keep. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to keep an eye on the news. We'll have the economic calendar posted on DayTradingFutures.net. So that pretty much wraps it up. If we do see a continuation down to either this level here or this level here, then I will enter a long position with an initial target, meeting this line of resistance at 87.89. But again, I'm holding off to see what happens. With such low volume, it's really not worth investing my capital. I probably will move my capital into a different instrument until I see what happens with the Australian currency. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime at DayTradingFutures.net, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.